So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 yeah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 yeah. Hope I got the time to tell you. Hello, 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 yeah. Hello, yeah. No wonder you got a pure heart, kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring you down. What a terrible thing to say. Trembling across my fingers out of sight. Hello, 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 Leah. I was lost inside a maze of night. Hello, 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 Leah. I stayed up and watched you till daylight. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah.
So now my arm's pretty tired from making all this peanut butter. Nut butter. This one's almond, this one's walnut, and this one is the peanut butter. But I think I kind of messed up on the peanut butter. I still have all of these other ones, so I'm gonna try again. You see how it's like really light? Like peanut butter's not supposed to be that light. I think the difference is you're supposed to roast the peanuts first. Because like when I smell it, it like has such a distinct peanut smell. I tasted it and it's just like, I think I added a bit much salt. Like, it's good and creamy and I'll definitely use it, but I want to try it with roasted peanuts because I think that would be way different. So this is how the roasted peanut one turned out. It's much darker, so I'm just gonna put it in the same jar. Okay, so I'm really hungry, and the first thing I want to eat today is like the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But I mean, it's high risk. It's high risk because I want to do pecan butter and I want to use red pepper jelly. So this is kind of spicy. I made pecan butter the other day, but I only made like a really little amount, so I need to make more. Look how good the consistency of this jelly is. It's like pretty thick. I was nervous it would be too loose, but like this is what jam looks like. So happy with it. And I tasted a little bit of it and it's so sweet and delicious. So I'm just gonna smash up these pecans, add some honey to it, and then put it on some bread. I'm excited. This is a good breakfast for sure. This is definitely an experience. It definitely doesn't taste like a traditional peanut butter and jam. The red pepper flavor is like very much there. I don't know, it's definitely a delicious sandwich, but I'm not sure if I would call it a peanut butter and jelly. I feel like this jelly would be better on crackers. The bread is such a big deal for a sandwich, and this is like not my favorite bread. I was thinking about putting a banana on this, but I'm like, is that too much? That was me making a sandwich. I learned so much in this video, and I love trying new things. The best part about trying something once is now I have the option to try it a second time. What a whole new perspective. That's enough for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!